Hi everyone, I'm gonna show you today how I clean my fish. I use this method for all the fish, and it's really very easy method, simple, and also it will get rid of the fishy smell. So you will not have any fishy smell when you eat it. So what I use here, I have 1 tablespoon of vinegar. This is distilled vinegar, but you can use any type of vinegar you have. And I just rub it over the piece of fish. If you have a larger piece or a less piece, you can use less or more of vinegar. And then I rub it like you see. And then I used here a half tablespoon of salt. Any type of salt will work. And I just rub it over the fish also. And the same thing with the vinegar. If you feel like, you have a larger piece, you need more salt, you can add more salt. Or smaller piece, you can add less salt. I left it for 1 minute, and after that, I smelled it, and it did not smell fishy at all. It's completely, the fishy smell is gone, clean. Then I just washed it with water just to make sure that I removed the salt and the vinegar. And that's it. The fish is clean. I put it in a strainer. And just want to make sure that after you're done, you need to really clean the sink very well. Make sure you don't have any cross contamination, because fish and any raw meat, any type of raw meat has a bacteria that's not healthy. And then I got a paper towel and I dried it, and then I will take it to the board and cut it. So here is the board. I just also want to let you know that is I use this cutting board only for cutting raw meat or fish or chicken. I don't use it for anything else. And here I cut it for taco. I like to cut it a little bit thick pieces, and then I will marinate it, and I'll hopefully in another video I can show you how I marinate and make my fish tacos. So this is the size that I cut it. This is actually a little bit big. I prefer this size to the right. So this is really the size I prefer for the tacos. And also for this, the thin portion, I little bit cut it longer, so it will get cooked evenly together.